Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I am standing to support the bill, every clause of it with all the amendments. However, I have a few suggestions. I would like the government and the minister to take note of them. The great and important leader of Europe told his ambassadors, if you go to London, go to the share market, then you will feel its pulse and know its health and politics. The share market is controlled remotely or fully by the company law board in our country. So, any amendment to the company law in a progressive way is going to help the growth, economic growth. If it is otherwise, it will be detrimental to the growth. What is happening today in our country in the field of company law and how it is functioning? The company law is represented in the states by the registrar of companies. Today, in the eyes of the law, everyone is equal. Whether you are a company with two persons or with 20,000 capital or hundreds of shareholders with hundreds and crores of shares, the forms and formats made are the same for everyone. On the one hand, you suggest that companies should be run properly with proper professional management, with better auditors and company secretaries. On the other hand, you also allow a person or a group of even two persons, husband and wife, or son and father, to form a company. In such a case, he is the producer, he is the engineer, he is the clerk, he is the typist, he is the accountant, and hence he has no time to look into other things and understand all the forms. The result is that hundreds of cases are filed against such companies. Only in Kanpur there must be 1,000 such cases in which the party has failed to submit some forms, some reports, or some performance. There is a nexus between a few lawyers and the registrar of companies, either in Patna or in Kanpur or anywhere in the state capitals. Hundreds of cases are filed. If you fail to submit these forms, you have to pay a penalty and suffer prosecution. The penalty is very minimal. It is rupees 25 or rupees 50, but the word prosecution is also there. The result is that small businessmen who are afraid of going to jail have to go and face the magistrate.